In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add RSI radar multi-time frame in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you are logged in to your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, we're going to start by opening the Indicators menu. Move your mouse to the top of the chart area and look for the Indicators button. It's usually near the top toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens a new window or panel where you can search and browse all the built-in and community-created indicators inside TradingView. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click on that search box so it becomes active and ready for typing. This is where you'll type the name of the indicator you want to add, which in this case is RSI radar multi-time frame. Typing it in the search bar helps you find it quickly instead of scrolling through long lists. Carefully type RSI radar multi-time frame into the search field. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Make sure you spell it correctly, because even a small typo can cause the indicator not to appear. Once you see RSI radar multi-time frame show up in the list of results, hover over it and click on it once. When you click it, TradingView will automatically add the indicator to your current chart. After clicking, look at your chart and you should now see the RSI radar multi-time frame panel appear, usually below your main price chart. Depending on how the script is designed, it might show multiple RSI readings from different timeframes all in one place. If it looks a little cluttered or too small, you can resize the panel by dragging the top edge of the indicator area up or down so it's easier to read. If you are not yet on the Pro version of TradingView and you want a smoother experience with more indicators on your chart at the same time, check out my affiliate link in the description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks the full power of TradingView Pro, which is especially useful when you are running multi-time frame tools like this one. That's all you need to do to add RSI radar multi-time frame in TradingView Pro.